Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make this delicious and super easy stir-fry chayote with mushrooms. Let's get started. First, you need to peel the chayotes and then cut off the two ends. To make sure it's steady while you slice, we need to make a cut on the other side. Now you can cut it safely. Then cut it into 2 to 3 mm slices. After slice 4 sides, you can get rid of the core. Organize the slice on the same line, so you can easily cut this into strips. About mushrooms, cut off the roots first, and then wash the mushrooms and drain them very well. Two cloves garlic, smash it, and then finely chop them. And cut some chilies, and green onion for garnishing. Heat the wok with high fire. When you see slight smoke rising, add 3 tablespoons oil and toss the mushrooms. Keep the fire high and stir the mushrooms. At the beginning, you can see a lot of mushroom juice. Keep cooking to evaporate the juice. Now only oil left in the wok, add the garlic and chilies. Turn down the fire to low and keep stirring. When you see the mushrooms turn to golden brown, it's time to add our chayotes. Turn up the fire to high again. Cook it for 40 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon salt. You can also add a little sugar if you like, but today I skipped it. Continue cooking for another 30 seconds, or don't overcook it. Otherwise, the chayote will lose the crunchiness and the juice. At the end, garnish some green onion. Then it's time to try. Yummy! Do you hear the crunchiness? I definitely have to get some rice. It tastes so freshy and the spice is kicking in my mouth. Absolutely a rice killer. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumb up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.